Sarvendra Srivastava, independent market analyst, is now joining in. Sarvendra, good afternoon. What's your view as far as Nifty is concerned? It's not being able, it's not actually seeing a lot of selling pressure, but at the same time, every time it's going to 83, 83.50 levels, it's seeing a lot of profit booking coming in.
Very, very good afternoon, Pankaj. No, I think you summed up nicely. The last that we met, I don't have a larger change in view. So the earlier stance that we discussed one fortnight back, that more or less remains. The fact remains that my sense is that 83, 83.50, we have been struggling around these numbers, and I continue to believe that market one leg downside is pending now. First logical targets or the first logical support areas for the Nifty would be around that 8,000 psychological mark. But now looking at the way the time has passed over the last 1 month now, and the way probably we have kind of flattened out for both the indices, Bank Nifty and the Nifty, my sense is that the more time you spend in this range and don't break out, the more chances that finally the 8,000 support area could also violate, and we could go in for a lower retest. So that risk that we had kind of highlighted 15 days back, that risk is very much on, and I think the market are still not out of the doldrums.
Right, but right now it's in a no trade zone, or would you wait and watch for the levels that we just spoke about to breach on either which ways?
No, when you look at a trading range, purely going by just basic layman kind of approach, if you are looking at a resistance area and a trading band, right now we are at the upper end of the trading band. So people who want to look at some kind of selling or booking profits around these levels on the Nifty, that definitely can be the case looked at, because my sense is that 8,000 probably could get tested over time. So you have around 300 odd points to play with, 350 odd points to play with. So traders with that kind of horizon can definitely look at to take profits or to sell around these areas, around these resistance areas.
Sarvendra, just a minute, I'll come back to you. HT Media has declared its numbers. Numbers are looking broadly in line. You can see the numbers at the bottom of your screen. PAT number was estimated around 45 odd crores. They have delivered, okay, there was estimated around 43 crores. They have delivered about 45 crores. So it's a very, very marginal beat. Sales numbers also coming in bang in line, 223 crores versus estimates of 222 crores. Don't think there'll be earnings cut. Don't think at the same time there would be any cheer in the market. No major change, no major volume pickup once these numbers are out. So we'll wait and watch for further details coming in. Sarvendra, you were saying that if somebody wants to book profit or wants to go short, they can, use this opportunity to go short. What should be an ideal stop loss if they decide to do so for Nifty?
See, anybody wanting to look at the sell side of the market, you should be looking at closing stops or reversal levels around 84.10. So you would be keeping a stop or a reversal level at above those numbers. So 84.11 could be a closing number to look at. If that gets violated on the resistance area, then probably you will have to square up your trades and then look at the other side of the market as well. But for the time being, I think broadly 83.50, 8400 will be a pressure area, and I believe that the market has more chances of probably slipping back towards that 8,000 support area than breaking out of 84. So anybody looking at that trade should be keeping suitable stop losses.
Right. What will be your view on Bank Nifty?
See, Bank Nifty is the area of concern. We had discussed it last time also, that the whole concern probably even after the rate cut and everything coming in, PSU banks have not shown any traction. That side of that market is looking very precariously poised and not being able to move up. So if at all we have to fall, I think Bank Nifty has to do the main work, and Bank Nifty itself probably could fall by around 7 to 8% going forward. So